So welcome everyone. I'm Sujata Pal and I'm going to tell you what were the trades for today which I gave in the Telegram channel and I also shared with you yesterday. Okay, before anything, I just want to say before you are taking any trade, you should be very clear what are the stop loss, what are target. If you don't know anything about the basics of technical analysis and when to enter and when to exit, then please don't take trade blindly, and because you will end up losing your money in stock market. So it's not just a play game. So play smartly and first learn and then play. एंड जो मैं लेवल्स आपको देती हूँ टेलीग्राम चैनल्स पे, यहाँ पर उसको आप ढंग से समझा करें। जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ कि इसके ऊपर बाय करना है या इस लेवल्स के नीचे, तो आपने उसके अलावा भी देयर आर लॉट्स ऑफ मोर थिंग्स टू वॉच आउट फॉर। सो कुछ भी अगर मैंने बता दिया है तो ऐसे ही आप ट्रेड मत ले लें कि ठीक है। यू हैव टू वेट एंड वॉच ऑल्सो, उसके बाद भी उसमें मोमेंटम आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, और इंट्राडे में भी काफी सारी चीजें होती हैं, तो आप उसको लर्न करें, उसको प्रैक्टिस करें। और अगर आपने इससे पहले कभी भी ट्रेड नहीं किया है, इफ यू हैव नेवर ट्रेडेड बिफोर दिस, then you first learn, watch, observe things, what is actually happening, and then only put your hard earned money into markets, because it's very easy to lose money in market than to gain. So you have to learn, there is no other option for that. Okay, so before starting, let me just tell you that we also have a Telegram channel. So let me just share with you where I keep posting the updates for the live market. Okay, so I'm just sharing with you the screen. Okay, so here we go. This is my Telegram channel. If you go to search over here, there's an option of searching. So you can write at the rate learn trade by Sujata. So this will going to take you to this channel. Okay, this is the logo. So you can click on this and you can just join it. Okay, so as you click on this, it will going to take you over here. So these are some of the, like, let me just share with you. These are today's trade which I gave in the Telegram channel. So I'm just clicking. This was TCS, which I shared over here. Another one was Siemens, and this was Cipla, which I shared over there. Okay, so let me just go back and I'll show you in the charts where I was actually, you know, what happened in reality. Okay, and there were many other trades which I just talked in the YouTube channel, so you can keep watching it. So यहाँ पे अगर आप देखेंगे, let me just show you. Let's start from Cipla. So यहाँ पर from the last 2 days I was telling you to buy from these levels, okay, these lower levels, because it was taking the support. यहाँ पे बार बार 565 के लेवल पर ये इसी लेवल से रिटर्न कर रहा था, और अगर आप देखेंगे तो यहाँ पर इसने बहुत ज्यादा लंबे समय के लिए अराउंड 2 to 3 डेज जो है एक कंसोलिडेशन दिया, और उसके बाद एक अमेजिंग मूव दिया यहाँ के लेवल्स पर। और आज भी मॉर्निंग में अगर आप देखेंगे तो इसने आपको बाइंग का मौका भी दिया, फिर नीचे भी गया था, तो ये काफी फ्लक्चुएट करा है आज के दिन मॉर्निंग में, बिकॉज उसका रिजल्ट भी निकला था कल के दिन। ओके, कल उसका रिजल्ट भी आया था, सो देयर इज अ मूवमेंट नॉर्मली ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम इन दैट स्टॉक। ओके, सो यहाँ पे आफ्टर 1 hour of this it has given a sell confirmation. Why? Because see, this is the level. From after this level it has gone above this level, तो यहाँ पे if you see बार बार ये वहां पे भी कुछ लेवल्स हैं जहाँ पे ये बार बार रेजिस्ट करता है, एक बार, दो बार, तीन बार, और अभी चौथी बार। तो इस तरह से क्या है, इफ इट इज टेकिंग सम रेजिस्टेंस at an upper level and then it forms this cat type of a candle and then red candle, then there's a possibility of reversing back from there. So this was a reversing sell uh, opportunity from these levels. Okay, but the stop loss was very high. But still, if you are a smart trader, you can, play with a smaller time frame like 5 minutes. And then this, see, if you have got into this 5 minute chart, it has given a confirmation from this 599 levels. So 5 from 599, it has made a low of around 592.50. So good enough for intraday. So it was like given 1:1 targets and even more. So you have to be smart enough to take entry into such trades. Okay, so if we are expecting some more fall also from here, okay. So let's see what happens. But overall, the initial move has been done. Then second was the Reliance Industries. They were sharing to it will go above these levels, but it could not sustain these levels. And then the moment it fell from this level, it has gone down. No? The whole day it has gone down. So we can see even although in the daily charts, overall it's in downtrend only. So because when we were catching it from lower level to go to upper level, we have observed buying from here and book profit into this also. So now what is this happening is it's reversing back, and it could not sustain its buying pattern in the hourly chart. So always remember the daily chart is more powerful than the hourly chart, so it is not able to sustain at those levels. So now what we are supposed to look into this is these levels, the levels of this level, this 1391 levels. So एक बार अगर ये इस लेवल पे रुकता है जाके तो वहां से रिवर्स हो सकता है, अदरवाइज इट इज गोइंग टू गो इवन मोर डाउन फ्रॉम हियर. Okay, so and this was ICICI Lombard which I shared yesterday also with you. So यहाँ से हमने काफी अच्छा नीचे की तरफ मूव लिया था, but after this it has taken a strong support from this level. How do we see the support? See, ये आप देख रहे हैं, यहाँ पर आकर बार बार उस लेवल को टच करके वापस जा रहा है, यहाँ पे भी ऐसा ही हो रहा है. सो यू हैव टू सी दिस. सो दैट इज व्हाई दिस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन हैज बीन ड्रॉन. इस लेवल से बार बार जो है रिवर्स हो रहा है, और यहाँ पे जो है इसने एक अच्छा क्लीन पैटर्न दिया है, लाइक दिस रेड कैंडल एंड देन green candle and then again green. Then after this, second green candle has given a buy confirmation into this, and it has gone up in the yesterday's also ending market, and today also it has gone up to this level. So it is given a good buying signal in this. So now the game is over. We should not enter. See, जब भी आपको बाय करना है तो लोअर लेवल पे आपने एंट्री ढूंढनी होती है. तो दिस इज डन फॉर टुडे and it has done its parts. Now another one was which I mentioned was MM Finance. This is MM Finance's financial, but it could not sustain above these levels, and it has, although it opened up in the morning at a higher level, but then it went down. Okay, so it can go up to even more down. So look, keep a watch at these levels, these lower levels. If it goes at these lower levels, then there's a possibility of bouncing back, and if it breaks these 128 level, then there will be a free fall, because this is one of the lowest levels from where it recently got back. And this is Chola Finance. Same thing happened. I said to the same, almost same pattern, although it did not go very high much above, but it also opened in a positive note from here, and from 126 it may have made up to a high of 132. So that was good enough, but then after that it has reversed back. So in intraday you have to be very smart to book a profit at a proper level. You have to be very smart to book a profit in that case. So yeah, if you see in daily charts, it has just fluctuated. Like the level of opening and closing lies almost same. So if in the hourly charts in the morning it shows some up move, then we can see a buying opportunity over here. TCS, which I gave, TCS of course gave a good move from here. I mentioned this in the video also last day, yesterday. So look at it. This has gone up to 1966. So if you look in hourly charts, it has opened at the lower level, so it has given a good opportunity from 1907 to 1966. So around 40 to 45 5 points, it would have been got easily. And now also, if it crosses these levels of trend line, see if this is coming from a long way. So if it is able to cross this trend line, then we can see a level of 1995, and then higher levels of 2027. So let's see what happens tomorrow in this. And then Infratel was a good move for today. I observed this today. So what happened was, this is the high, of the last 2 3 days back high. If you see on this like daily charts, you will see this is the last 2 days high. So in hourly charts, if you see this, after coming above these levels, it has gone a little down and then consolidating in that levels. And today it has opened up at these levels, and it has given a strong rejection from the lower price, that it is not going to go at lower. This is called a rejection sort of a candle. And after this level, when it went above this level, then it gave an amazing buying move. With, you can keep a stop loss of this candle only always, and then it has given some good move from here. So if it goes above these levels, then we can go for even more buying. But let's see, it's at a very higher level, so we can even see a reversal from these levels. Okay, so now let's talk for today. New trades, what we can see tomorrow in the market. First of all, the Bharti Airtel, the one of the biggest mover of today, and give it amazing, amazing move. This is the daily chart. So, as you know, we were like 2 3 days back. We gave a buying from sorry, sell from these levels in the hourly charts, and it has gone up to little down. But overall structure of this stock was with the buy trade. So we just sold for around 2 days, and then we were back into the, and it see it has given an amazing reverse back move from here. So if you see in daily chart today, it was able to cross the earlier high of 568 569 very smoothly, and that is why it has gone up to our level of 605. It made a high of 602.95. Yeah, in future 605 was the high. So now there is a big possibility that it can reverse also from here. So if tomorrow it is going to give a reverse signal from here, then we can sell. But if it goes above these levels, then we can expect a good move for around 630 640 levels also. So keep a watch on this for tomorrow, Bharti Airtel. And the volumes were used, it means to say that there were lots of people into this trade. Okay, UPL is the another one which in today's trade also gave a sell signal, but I we couldn't catch it. But because it is, see, this is the trend line, and it has gone below this, and the open and high of this was also same. So whenever the open and high is same, and it's also in the pattern, it's a like trend line or any other pattern, candlestick patterns, if it's following that on the sell side, then it's an amazing move. Means the open and high are the same. So the sell side signal clearly, and for a good move, for a strong move, because there's no it's not going up anyway, because open and high is same. Okay, so see, it has gone from 378 to 338. That was a good move. But if you see that this is the level from where it took support third time. So if it goes below this level, then we will sell. We'll get a sell opportunity. But if it reverses from these levels, if you see in the hourly charts, it can reverse from these levels, just like it did from here, from 335 when went up to 425. So there is also a possibility that if after going to this levels of 333, it can reverse back from here. But overall, if you still see there's a huge selling selling side, it's showing. Okay, so now the another one is Aladdin and Turbo. So see, this is also in the trend line formation, and it has reversed from these levels and came down to an horizontal line support levels. So from here, if it is if goes below these levels, because for the last 3 days continuously it is going down with a huge volumes and ending at a low days lows. So there's a possibility that we can see a more downfall from here. And if we look at, so these were the mainly some trades for yesterday, Bharti Airtel, UPL, Lazit Turbo, and you have to keep a watch on this Bajaj Finance. I also gave it today in my different other group. Not there. I just didn't got the time to steer, but I took a trade in this because today its result was also supposed to be out, and it is trading at its weekly lowest level, like the recent lows, which is 1915 levels. So every time it reverses back from these levels. So let me show you. See, last time was 27th April, where it made a low of 1916.80, and then again it made a low of around 1953 from these levels, and then initially it also made a low of 1927. So it is bouncing back from those same levels. So that is why we are expecting some bounce back from here. And today was the result also. So let's see. So I have got a call on this of 1900 levels. So if it goes, it might opening up, but some of the profits have increased, but some before tax and after tax is reduced. You can just check the Bajaj Finance results on the NSC site also, and BBSC site they are given over there. So you can just observe it if you know how to analyze it, the the results. But yes, this is a good move. It has given a good because it's at a lower level, so the risk reward ratio was in favor. So that is why I took an overnight risk in this trade. Otherwise, I generally prefer covering my trade in the intraday only. So and do not so that's all for today. So take care for yourself, and you can always follow the Telegram channel where I keep sharing. And you can go to last of its, you can go in the images by clicking over here. If you want to click on this, you will be able to click able to see what were the last images which I shared. The charts, I keep sharing the charts. See, the store and pharma, I gave a breakout over here, and it gave a good move. This was Cipla, I just showed you 1600 levels. So I shared over here at 579 levels, and then it went up to 605. So this is like which date is this? You can just check it. It was a day before yesterday. So, and this is Reliance Industries. I gave a sell trade into this on these levels. This is ICICI Lombard, which I just shared with you. So there are so many charts. If you go back, see UPL also I shared over here on the upside, but when it went down, then I was not able to catch this move. But this was an amazing move. So if you will observe these charts, which I have already shared in the group in the Telegram channel, you will. And this is Bharti Airtel. See, I told you, no, I gave this sell in the at before. So it has reversed from there, and then it came back again bounce. This is Reliance Daily and HDFC Bank and Titan. So I keep sharing with you. This is infratel. See, I just shared when it was at this level that it will go up. So from 183 now it has come up to 2010 level, 90 levels. So you can go back in the Telegram channel to see the charts which I have shared and understand how to go about it. Okay. So and also I keep sharing about my upcoming webinars over there. When is the next webinar? And these are so many charts. If you go of the past, you will see a lots and lots of many charts into this. So this is the signal of it. You can just click on this search button and type at the rate learn trade. So if you are going to type like this, learn trade by Sujata, so you can find it by this. Or you don't need not to find anything. You can, what you can do is you can directly click on the link below, which I have just shared in the description, and you will be able to reach out there. And if you are interested in learning in advance also, you can just reach out to me through Telegram also. I also have my advanced course also, like all these charts and patterns, and many of my students are earning good profits in just 30 days of learning. They are able to make some consistent profit of some. There are some new students who have just started with 10,000 and 12,000 rupees, and they are making like 1,000, 2,000 daily. So this is just by learning they are able to make such profit. So for daily updates, you can just subscribe to the channel, and then I'll see you again. And if you don't have the Demat account, you can open a Demat account with a link given in the description. It's Angel Broking. ये एक बहुत ही अच्छा ब्रोकर है और बहुत अच्छी सर्विसेज देते हैं, and इनका हैंग भी नहीं करता है most of the time. It works amazingly well. Till now I'm using it. Right, I've recently opened this account, and it's working really very well. And this their staff is very supportive. They call the person for uh, any queries over there. Okay. If you want to see the link, it will be like, also if you are going to join the Telegram channel, in the description also where I've pinned this, you can just click on this link, open a Demat account. And if you, as you click on this, it is going to directly take you on to the this page of this Angel Broking. So as you click on this, you reach at these levels. So here you have to enter your, see, 20 rupees is the brokerage they per order. They are charging very negligible brokerage, and they give a 48 times up to leverage, and that's really amazing. Okay. And so, and these are 30 plus years of old trust. So this is a very old broking firm. So you have to place your name over there, your mobile number, your city, and you did not need to enter any OTP as per now. And this is the code which comes there automatically, JPLAA. And then you can click on take me ahead. And as you're going to click over here, it will take you to another page where you just have to follow the instructions, and their team is going to call you. And in the next video, I'm also going to show you how to use this angel broking account system. Okay, so people, that's all for today. Keep supporting and keep sharing in the comment section. What do you want me to share more on this video through YouTube, and what do you want to learn more, and do you have any suggestions for me? And on Telegram channel, and give your valuable feedbacks and comments. Are these things helping you? And don't trade blindly. Okay, first understand, learn, and then only trades. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.